Hello everyone, my name is Hongwei Gao. I'm a math teacher at Morningstar Institute. In this summer, Morningstar Institute will offer a AMC10 workshop. Let me give you a brief introduction. This is a 2-week workshop during June 20th and July 1st from Monday to Friday. There are 2 sessions. The morning session is between 9:30 and 11:30. While the afternoon session is from 4 to 6. Every day, we also provide office hours in the afternoon, starting from 1:30 and at 3. All students are recommended to join the office hour to ask TA questions from homework or from classes. All these classes and office hours are online by Zoom in Pacific time. This workshop covers major algebraic and geometric topics required in AMC10. In the first week, we spent 2 days on counting problems, 2 days on number theory, and 1 day on probability. The second week focuses on geometry topics, including plane geometry, circles, solid geometry, and coordinate geometry. Before the workshop starts, we will schedule a one-on-one meeting with every student. This is to know all students' math backgrounds and tailor our classes to fit everyone in the best way. During the workshop, for each topic, the teacher will first give lectures on the main content and techniques with well-selected examples. And then students will be divided into small groups for discussion. In the discussion, they are required to use what they just learned to solve new problems. Homework with 15 questions will be assigned daily, and the social videos are also provided. As already mentioned, there's TA office hours every day in the afternoon. When the workshop ends, there's an online AMC10 evaluation test. After that, the teachers will write a report with future guidance to every student based on their overall performance and strength. As for the prerequisite, students are required to have a solid math background as AMC8 or above. In particular, students with AMC10 backgrounds are preferred. Our main reference is the book, A Tour Guide of Pre-College Math Level B, written by Morningstar Institute team. This book is available online in our Morningstar Institute webpage. You can download the PDF version. If you know relevant content in this book, especially if you took our AMC10 classes before, this workshop fits you ideally. If you have any question, you're welcome to contact us. We look forward to meeting you in this coming summer.